Hi everyone, it's officially barbecue season, and even as a vegan, I do love cooking on the grill during summertime, all my veggies and even some fruit. And today I'm going to share with you my grilled vegetable salad. And of course I'm using the Herbamare by A.Vogel, so this herb sea salt for cooking. So I'm going to cook the vegetables with it, and I'm also going to add it into the dressing. Let's start.
Okay, so I start up by chopping the vegetables as the barbecue is heating up. You could use any vegetable you have on hand. You could add different things instead of zucchini, asparagus, red pepper, and sweet potato, which are really good options today that I'm using in my salad. I also sometimes like mushrooms, onions, you can switch it up. So I add that to a bowl, and then I'm adding some olive oil that has basil in it, so that adds like a little freshness to it. With the Herbamare and some black pepper, you toss it around. You want the oil to cover all the pieces, and then you just lay it down onto a pan or something that goes into the barbecue for cooking. Little pieces won't fall that way, and so you put it in the barbecue. You let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. You toss it around every once in a while. So I'm making the dressing here for the salad. It's super simple. For the exact quantities, you can go under the video to see. But so it's super easy. You just use olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, maple syrup. You're seasoning it again here with the Herbamare. You can also add black pepper, which I didn't do here, and then some lemon juice. Mix it up, and that's your dressing. You can set that aside. And then in your bowl, you can add about 3 to 4 cups of lettuce, romaine lettuce, and 3 to 4 cups of arugula. You add all those cooked vegetables on top, those grilled yummy vegetables. You could also add some goat cheese or vegan feta cheese, something like that would be awesome on there, and maybe a little bit of sunflower seed. But today I'm using it, keeping it super simple and adding that dressing on top and finishing it up with some fresh sprouts, radish sprouts that I just love growing at home. I think that's a perfect finish for the salad with some Herbamare once again. And here you go. Super easy and yummy.